going to do a different type today, and I've used the same acrylic paints as these. So I've got a black and a red, gold, blue and white. So I'm going to try a different type of pattern, and I'm going to use one of my old canvases that I went over with black. So this one's going to be mainly a black background, so I don't know how this is going to turn out, but we shall see. Like I say, these have been mixed, as you saw on my last video. So I'll get everything ready and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm going to start off with pouring the black. It's got to go all over. And then I'm going to get my knife, take it over the edge. Like I say, this canvas was one that I did my oil paintings on, and I didn't like it, so I just scraped the oil off and then just went over it with a black gesso, and it's stood upstairs till now, which has been a few years. As you can see, there's a little bit of glitter on there. Don't know why. I don't think it's been in contact with any glitter. Just takes you a bit of time to prepare your canvas. And I've got little cups underneath the canvas as well, because like I say, this is an old canvas. But for practicing, I suppose it's the best thing to use. I'm hoping to not get the same reaction of warping as I did with the boards. But you learn. You know, I learnt myself how to do nails, so I'm sure I can learn to do a different one. That's the beauty of it, really. Learning. Just fill in all the holes, as I can see. Don't want to leave any. Okay, so that's that done. Now, that's the fun bit. If we can get the rest right. We will see. So for this now, I'm going to do lines. So we're going to go up. I better put this on something, because with this canvas it's rather a little bit big. Just stir it up, and we go for the second one. Missed my aim a bit there. We go for the blue. And we go for stuck my finger in the black. Go for the white. We'll go in the middle for the white. We'll go for the red again on this side. The white. Put the gold in the middle. I'll come to the blue. Now the blue as well. Okay. Now again with black. I'm just going to go around the edge. Now, here comes the air dry. Now I did find out that, yeah, I don't want any of them falling on the floor. So let's hold it and turn it on 2. Make sure. Okay, so it hasn't spread as much as I would have liked it to, and I've just caught the bottom of the air dryer, but it's only a water-based paint, so apparently what I can do now is blue it, which that's not going to do. So you can see the cells just beginning to come in there. So what I can do now is, may as well use up the paint. As you do. Do this one. Do the red. Should wear gloves again. And we'll blow this one. Yeah. Put pads down somewhere. that's a 2. So I don't think I'll go any further with that, as it's come out quite well with the cells that have come in it now. So I'm going to let that dry. I suppose I could have just finished off this part here, but trial and error, see how it goes. So I'll be back when it's dry. So this is the end where it is drying. This has come out totally different than I thought it would do, and I don't know if you can see, I had to put some glitter in. Couldn't resist. Well, look how it's come out. It's come out rather well. Still nice and shiny. And a bit of glitter. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and will join me on my next bit of adventure. And thank you again for so much for watching, and hopefully see you in my next. Bye!